Good morning. Welcome to Easy English 365. This is day 7. Today, our topic is checking the weather. Before we start, let us remember our daily anchor sentence. Knowing the weather helps me plan my day. Today, we will learn how to talk about checking the weather in the morning. This is a very useful habit to help you choose the right clothes and prepare for your day. Let us learn some new words. Weather. The weather is nice today. Sunny. It is a sunny morning. Cloudy. The sky is cloudy today. Rainy. I need an umbrella on a rainy day. Cold. It is very cold outside. Hot. Summer days are very hot. Warm. The morning air is warm and pleasant. Cool. The evening is cool and fresh. Forecast. I check the weather forecast every day. Temperature. The temperature is 20 degrees. Degree. It is 15 degrees Celsius. Phone. I check the weather on my phone. App. I use a weather app. Umbrella. I take an umbrella when it rains. Jacket. I wear a jacket when it is cold. Outside. I look outside to see the sky. Sky. The sky is blue and clear. Plan. I plan my day based on the weather. Prepare. I prepare for a rainy day. Morning routine. Checking the weather is part of my morning routine. Now, let us learn some useful everyday sentences. I check the weather every morning. I look at the weather app on my phone. What is the weather like today? The weather forecast says it will be sunny. The temperature is 20 degrees today. It is a beautiful, sunny morning. The sky is blue and clear. It is a little cold outside today. I need to wear a warm jacket. It might rain later this afternoon. I will take an umbrella with me. The weather is warm and pleasant. I like cool and fresh mornings. I check the temperature before I leave. Knowing the weather helps me plan my day. I prepare my clothes based on the forecast. It is important to check the weather. I look out the window to see the sky. Today is a perfect day for a walk. I am ready for any weather. You are doing great. Learning to talk about the weather is a very practical skill in English. Keep up the excellent work. Let us listen to a short story about Anna. Anna wakes up and checks the weather forecast on her phone. She opens her weather app. The app says the temperature is 15 degrees. It is a little cold and cloudy outside. Anna looks out the window. The sky is gray. She knows it might rain later. She decides to prepare for the day. She chooses a warm jacket and puts an umbrella in her bag. She smiles because knowing the weather helps her plan her day. Now she is ready to go to work. Let us review some important words from today. Weather. Sunny, cloudy, rainy, cold, hot, warm, cool. Forecast. Temperature, degree, phone, app, umbrella, jacket, outside, sky, plan, prepare, morning routine. Now, let us review some useful sentences. I check the weather every morning. The temperature is 20 degrees today. I will take an umbrella with me. Knowing the weather helps me plan my day. Remember our daily anchor sentence. Knowing the weather helps me plan my day. Thank you for learning with me today. I hope you have a wonderful morning. Remember to check the sky and have a great day. See you tomorrow for day 8. Tomorrow, in day 8, we will talk about commuting to work. Have a great day.